So most of you are having multiple doubts regarding the arcade program, that what will happen to my existing points which I started earning from the January month, because you have seen the recent changes like they removed the trivia games and changed it to sprint. Now we don't have sprint badges also, and now the point system is also updated to 1 arcade points. You must have seen over here the updated point system. Now, what will happen to our existing points? Will it go and we have to earn all points from zero itself? So the answer is no. Whatever points you have earned, whatever hard work you have done from the January month itself, all those points will be added till the price counter opens. Now what they have done, they have unified the price counter. Means now the price counter will be opening only one time, that is mostly in December or maybe in January 2027. Why? Because it is a global program and they have to ship the goodies to entire world. Okay, entire world, different countries. That's why they have made a single window for the price counter. Now you have to just keep earning badges and keep earning points. It will be added every month, and then when the price counter opens, you'll be able to claim the swags. You can see they have clearly mentioned that your all your points are safe. You will be getting one window to claim the prizes and guaranteed opening of the price counter. So all these things they have mentioned, I tried to summarize it for all of you. Okay, so these are the important things. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Some of you are facing issue regarding your orders are getting cancelled. For that also we have a video. And if you want to participate in this program, you are watching this video for the first time, we have covered how to participate in the arcade program, detail in Hindi and English too. So make sure to watch all the videos. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.